Want to make 2025 your breakout year? What if AI could unlock your full potential? Starting today. These 7 tools will transform how you work, learn, and grow. I'll show you every step, no fluff. Don't miss this. It's easier than you think. Hey there. If you're dreaming of crushing your goals, better job, top grades, or a side hustle that pops, you're in the right place. I used to feel stuck, juggling tasks, missing opportunities, like the time I bombed a big presentation because I was disorganized. Welcome to AI Proisy, your hub for working smarter with AI. Today, I'm sharing 7 AI tools to make 2025 your best year yet. Organize your life, nail projects, and save hours. No tech skills needed, just a spark to level up. Ready to make it epic? Let's dive in. First tool, ClickUp AI. You're all in one for crushing big projects. I once missed a promotion because my team's tasks were chaos. Deadlines slipped. ClickUp AI saved me. Here's how. Open ClickUp. Free plan. Create a project. Marketing campaign. Study schedule. Add tasks. Design ad. Read chapter. Now use AI. Type. Suggest a timeline. In seconds, it maps your project. Ad by Friday. Chapter by Sunday. I planned a client pitch in 10 minutes, not hours. Need clarity? Ask prioritize my tasks. It flags what's urgent. I delivered a $5,000 project on time, stress-free. ClickUp AI's like a project coach, always on. Start free. Watch your goals take shape. Tool 2. Perplexity. The fastest way to research anything. Ever waste hours Googling, still confused? I did, prepping for a job interview, no clear answers. Perplexity's a game changer. Go to Perplexity. No sign-up needed. Type, explain blockchain simply. It delivers a clear answer, sources included, in 1 minute. I aced an interview question with that trick. For students, try summarize World War II causes. You get a tight overview, no fluff. I wrote a history paper in half the time. Pro tip. Ask find recent AI trends. It pulls 2025 insights, keeping you ahead. Perplexity's your brain's best friend, free and instant. Try it now. Research done right. Number 3. Otter AI. Your note taker for meetings and classes. I used to scribble notes in client calls, missing half the action, bombing follow-ups. Otter fixes that. Record a meeting with Otter. Free plan. Upload audio. AI transcribes live. Type, summarize this call. It lists key points. Client wants blue logo. Deadline's Friday. I nailed a design gig in 5 minutes of review, not an hour. For students, record a lecture. Ask extract action items. You get assignments like, read page 50. I passed a test because Otter caught details I forgot. Otter AI's like a memory upgrade, always listening. Start free. Never miss a beat. Tool 4, Zapier AI. Automate boring tasks, save hours. I once spent weekends syncing calendars and emails, no time for life. Zapier changed the game. Sign up for Zapier. Free tier. Create a Zap. Email to task. Link Gmail to Todoist. AI sets it up. Get an email. It's a task in Todoist. Follow up with Sarah. I cut admin time by 10 hours a week, took on an extra gig. Try this. Slack to Google Drive. Messages save as files, no clicks. I organized a team project without lifting a finger. Zapier AI's your time machine, working while you chill. Start free. Reclaim your days. Number 5. ChatGPT. Your brainstorming buddy for any goal. I froze planning a side hustle, no ideas, just stress. ChatGPT sparked a win. Open ChatGPT, free version. Type ideas for a tech blog. It lists 10. AI trends. Coding tips. I launched a blog in days, not weeks. For personal goals, try plan a fitness routine. You get a weekly schedule, tailored. I stuck to workouts because it felt doable. Need polish? Ask Make My Email Professional. It drafts a killer message. ChatGPT's like a mentor, always ready. Use it free. Turn dreams into plans. Tool 6. Figma AI. Create pro visuals, no design skills. I lost a client because my mock-ups looked amateur. Hours wasted. Figma AI is a lifesaver. Go to Figma. Free plan. Start a design. App mockup. Use AI, type. Generate a clean homepage. It builds layouts, colors, fonts. I made a client wireframe in 10 minutes, not days. Tweak it. Ask. Suggest bolder buttons. You get options. Pro level. I landed a $2,000 gig with one design. 4 students try poster for club event. Instant wow factor. Figma AI is your creative edge, free and fast. Start now. Impress everyone. Last one. Todoist AI. Master your tasks, stay focused. I used to juggle deadlines, dropping balls like missing a key report. Todoist's my anchor. Finish slides. Email boss. Use AI, type, prioritize my day. It sorts them. Slides first. Email tonight. I cleared a backlog in one morning, not a week. Break it down. Ask split slides task. You get steps. Outline. Design. I hit every deadline last month. Todoist AI is like a personal coach, keeping you sharp. Start free. Own your time. These 7 tools, ClickUp AI, Perplexity, Otter AI, Zapier AI, ChatGPT, Figma AI, Todoist AI, are your launchpad for 2025. Organize projects, research fast, capture notes, automate tasks, spark ideas, design like a pro, and master your day. I've saved 20 hours a week, landed bigger wins, and still had time for friends. You can too, starting free, seeing results by next week. Quick recap. ClickUp runs projects so you hit goals. Perplexity answers anything, keeping you sharp. Otter catches every word, no detail lost. Zapier automates grunt work, freeing your time. ChatGPT fuels ideas, turning dreams real. Figma makes you look pro, no sweat. Todoist keeps tasks tight, no stress. Together, they make 2025 yours. More wins, less grind, all the freedom you crave. That's it for today. 7 AI tools to make 2025 your best year ever. With these, you'll work smarter, grow faster, live bigger. Which tool's your spark? ClickUp for projects, Figma for designs, or another? Share it in the comments. I read them all. If this lit you up, hit that like button. It powers more hacks. Subscribe to AI Proisy for weekly tips to own your year. Thanks for watching. Here's to making 2025 epic.